So the latest generation vehicle is leaps and bounds above what we made previously, largely due to all the testing that we've done in the off-season. We have an entire team of people that put all of these designs through its paces to make sure that this vehicle is actually going to work and save people time.
Welcome to the testing hill. What we're doing here is testing the kind of slopes that the landscape crews will handle in the real world. So we need to tackle steep slopes, various terrains, and make sure the autonomy and the manual operation can work as intended.
We do durability testing to make sure that the robot can stand up to real-world conditions from our commercial customers.
So this is the bump track. This is where we do our accelerated life testing. We're stress testing the machine to its absolute limits, and then a little bit further than that to make sure that it's going to withstand the environments that the landscapers are in every day.
They're going to take this thing out and they're going to beat it up. They're going to drive it over rocks and curbs. They're going to hit things with it, right? And we want to make sure that it can stand up to these things, not only just as good as anybody else that's doing it, but better.
It's not easy to get in here. This is our hot lab test environment. This environment completely simulates the real world extreme conditions so we can determine whether our robot can survive the extreme thermal loads that are experienced in the real world.
We're here at a sod farm doing run-in. This is a hardware reliability project we're doing on our new M.52. Individual robots are probably mowing somewhere between 6 to 12 acres. We've had 40, 50, 60 plus acre days during run-in. We're running every robot between 50 to 70 hours before they even enter customer hands. The bots behind me have been running since 10 a.m. this morning and they're still going strong. So we're at 6+ hours today so far.
I'm very proud of the team. It is a group of people that are dedicated to producing quality vehicles that really put a lot of pride and effort into the product that they are producing because they've been able to see the fruits of their labor when these vehicles make it out into the field with our customers, that all the hard work that they do is literally paying off.